Hello, and welcome to the weekly package sync for the week of August 2nd. We have a few items on our agenda. The first one is from Sophia, who's not here, so I could read for her. We have package end-to-end test documentation updated using the GitLab QA gem to run object storage, Minio tests, or container registry tests against an omnibus instance. Please give feedback if something is unclear, but ultimately we want to make it easy to test locally what is painful to configure using GDK, like object storage or single sign-on or the container registry with faster test feedback. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in that issue. And then Sophia says, for the second item, if interested in first-time management topics, there's a book club coming up, and she links to an issue. And then, Steve, do you want to verbalize your comment?
Sure. There's also a new Slack channel for aspiring managers. I feel like I said that weird.
It's just because it's recording. And Nico, you have the final item.
Yeah, so during the GraphQL refactor, I've noticed that we do not display all the available metadata that we collect and expose. So now the API is exposing Composer, Conan, Maven, NuGet, and PyPy, but we show only NuGet, Conan, and Maven. I think there was an issue somewhere with the discrepancy of what is in the model, what we show, and what is in the API, but I can't find it. So
I will link that issue below. I think there's some epics and sub issues that I could follow up on. Okay, cool. But meaning that we actually have all the metadata for those fields now, for those formats.
Yes, I mean we or some at least we expose some.
Great. Okay. Yeah, I'll follow up with you in those issues.
I think what happened there is that during the refactor with the GraphQL API actually went above what the REST API or the or presenter were showing up. So now we have more in the API compared to what we had before.
That's awesome. That's a big win. Thanks. Anything else to add before we stop the recording? No? Okay.